Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to solve this question. Draw a line to connect each question to its correct numeral values. Two of the numeral values are not used. इनमें से दो यूज नहीं होंगी. Okay. First one. What is the denary value of the hexadecimal digit e? So let me write the hexadecimal digit over here. So first one, for example, when you type 10. 10 is equal to A in hexadecimal, and 11 is equal to B, and then so on, and then 12 is equal to C, and 13 is denoted in hexadecimal as D, and then 14 in hexadecimal denoted as E, and then 15 in hexadecimal represented as F. So what is the answer? So 14. So 14 is written over here, so I will go for 14. So let me put this somewhere over here. Let me close this. Okay, this is the first answer. Okay, now I'm going to connect where is draw line. So draw, I'm going to select which one, let's say blue color. Okay, fine, done. See, now first answer is 14. Okay, done. Okay, what is the denary value of the binary number triple zero, triple one, double zero? Okay, gee, what is the value? Okay, 1 2 4 8 16. So 1 2 4 8 16. So let me use this text box and let me write here. So let me write here starting from here. Sorry, um, give spaces over here, so I have to start from here. So 1, then I will type here 2, then here is the 4, 2 raised power 0 equal to 1, 2 raised power 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised power 2 is equal to 4, and then 2 raised power let's say 2 2s are 4, and 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32, and 32 2s are, let's say, 64, and 64 2s are 128, and so on, and 128 twos are 250, 255, sorry, 56. Okay, just like that. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8, so it's a 1 byte information. So I'm having over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. I'm going to discard this one. So on the position number, let me give enter button over here, and let me use starting from here. So let me write here, type 0. So 0 multiply with any number will give you 0, again 0, 0, both values discarded. We are not going to pick these two values. Okay, now this one, this is 1 is 1. 1 multiply 4 will give you 4 ones are 4, and then here binary value is 1. So this one, just like that. Okay, fine. Now it's better. Okay, now I'm going to do what? Here I will write 1 as well. Means we need to pick only ones. We need to pick only ones. The rest of these three values are 0. 0 multiplied with these digits will give you 0. So now add 16 plus 4 will give us let's say 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. So where is 28? Here is 28. Ha ha ha. Right answer. Okay, let me pick this one and let me write the answer. Let me connect this with 28. Haha, I got 2 marks. Okay, now next one. If the download speed of the broadband is 8 MB per second, how long would it take to download 96 MB file in seconds? So how? Okay जी, let's do it. ये सारा seconds के अंदर है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 96 divided by 8, we will get 12. 12 8s are 96, isn't it? तो हम इसे कर देंगे 12 8s are 96 in per second. मीन्स 8 सेकेंड के अंदर हम जो है 8 MB per second we can download a value a file. How long would it take to download 96 MB फाइल डाउनलोड करनी है इंटरनेट से? तो क्या करेंगे, एक सेकंड मीन्स एक सेकंड में हम इतने मीबी बाइट्स को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, तो 96 जो मीबी बाइट फाइल है उसको इन सेकंड्स कैसे डाउनलोड करेंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे, सिंपल। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, इफ 2x इज इक्वल टू 1 टीबी बाइट, ये टीबी बाइट है, ठीक है, विच इज टीबी बाइट, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x। तो वैल्यू ऑफ x फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास ये है कि हम इनकी पावर लिखेंगे 2 रेज टू पावर 10 किसके बराबर होता है। सो 2 रेज टू पावर 10 इज इक्वल टू, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ओवर हेयर, लेट्स से 2 रेज टू पावर में इसकी कैप होती है यहाँ पे, वेयर इज दैट, ओके दिस वन, this shows that power 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 1 kb, 1 kb kilobyte. It means that the 2 raised to power 2 raised power 20 is equal to what, according to you? It's mb beta, 1 mb. And then what, 2 raised to power 2 raised to power let's say 2 raised to power shift 6, 2 raised to power 30 is 1 GB is equal to how many bytes, 1 GB byte, okay. Then it means that 2 raised to power 40 will gives us क्या देगा, ये हमें देगा 1 TB, ओके, 1 terabyte of information. So right answer is 40. So I'm going to connect this 40 this one with the 40 over here, done. Okay, now what is the hexadecimal value of this denary number 50, hexadecimal value इसकी क्या होगी 50 की। so हमने इसको hexadecimal में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, डिवाइडेड बाय 16। so 16 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, means कि 3 कहीं पे आना चाहिए। oh, this is the right answer, it's over here, so here it is। okay, now how many bits are there in 2 bytes of data, 2 bytes, 1 byte is equal to how many bits, 1 byte is equal to, I'm going to write over here, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, how many bits, 8 bits। it means if we are having 2 byte, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 byte is equal to 8 cross 8 multiply, let's say 8 multiply 2, 16 is equal to 16 bits। so where's 16, 16 is over here, so let me connect correctly directly from here to here। so now thank you very much, take care of yourself, Allah Hafiz।